There are a couple of ways that you can restore a bank statement line if you've deleted it in error. So if we just go into the reconciliation screen, I'm going to delete a statement line. And then if we realise straight away that we've deleted that in error, you can actually click this undo box that appears just after you have removed it. Obviously, if you've gone on to do anything else, that would disappear. But as you've just done it, it's sitting there and you can select undo and it will bring that item back. If we then move on to another one, so we're going to delete this statement line. So again, we go in and delete that. We're going to ignore this box at the top because it's been, say, a week since you deleted it. So what we need to do is go in and manually restore it. So if we do bank statements and then have a scroll down the bank transactions, and you should see the item that has been deleted says deleted under the status column here, and it's also greyed out. So if we tick that box next to it and scroll back up to the top, you've got a restore button. Select that, and that should then restore the item back into the reconciliation screen. So if we go back in there and just have a quick look, you can see there it has now brought the item back in so that you can reconcile it.